Alright, so me and Eliza are making a video. This is fun. And he's mad because he can't find his headphones. He always blames me for it. He always leaves it around in the bathroom or something.
Daddy! Daddy!
He's mad. Stop, Mommy!
Rise up!
No!
Ew.
He's sad.
Ew.
It hurt.
Oh, my God.
Ew.
I'm trying to record you. Arisa. Liza. What are you doing? Huh?
Alright. When you put on my... Stop! Get up! Freaking stop!
Why are you mad? Girl, why are you mad? Hey, Mike, is it your headphones? It's not my phone, you know. So, yeah, I'm sick. And he's mad. Eliza's just, I don't know. And he's just mad. Look at that eyebrow go all the way up to his head.
Hey! Yay!
Eliza has crazy hair day today. I know. No judgment. What a beautiful day outside. I know my window's dirty, so calm down. Get over yourself. Did I mention he's mad? What are you doing?
No!
What are you doing?
No!
Can you sing the happy birthday song?
Yeah.
Like-
La 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 la. John.
No, the happy birthday song, not the happy song.
Song.
The happy birthday song.
La 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 la. So.
No, not that one, baby. The other one. Happy birthday to you.
Ah.
You have to blow, remember?
Baby.
There you
To
go.
you. Happy birthday to you. No. No.
You want to see yourself?
Yeah.
Okay, let me see.